Start the server. Okay, the server is up and running. Now click orders and let's try to edit the order ID 14 here. We test the sim list case first. Let's change the recipient information here. For example, recipient name is Rose Isabella. Recipient phone is 09123456789 and shipping address is 200 North Street, and order status we update is shipping, and click save. We keep the order books unchanged and click save, and we got an error. The server has encountered an error, so let's see in the console view to see what is the error. Index outbound exception. Click here to see the line that causes the exception. Oh, here the variable I should start from 0. Start from 1, but here we need to minus by 1 because the index of our array is the 0 base. Okay, and we need to wait for the server to reload the chain so we can test again. Okay, go back, orders, edit order ID 14, change the recipient name, Rose Isabella, phone number 09123456781, shipping address is 200 North Street, order status is shipping, and click save. And you see the message, the order ID 14 has been updated successfully. And now let's check. You see the status is shipping, and let's click details to see. You see recipient name change to Rose Isabella, phone change, status change, and the book remains unchanged. Very good, right? So as an admin user or the manager, I have updated the order status, and now as a customer Rose, and I will log in as a customer Rose here. Sign email is rose@gmail.com. Password is Rose. Log in, and I see my order history here, and I can see the status of my original order is shipping with details, and I can see my recipient name phone has been updated. Very good, right? And now in the admin section, now let's test another case. We update the quantities of the book for the order ID 13 here. Edit. Now we change the quantity of the book How to Win Friends and Influence People to only 1 copy. So the total amount should be decreased by nearly $10, and change the order status to shipping and click save. You see the message appears. The order 13 has been updated successfully. Oh, I need to update the successful message has been updated successfully. You see the status of the order 13 is updated to shipping and click details. And you see the book How to Win Friends and Influence People has now 1 copy and the total amount is decreased. This is the order of the customer Catherine. So very good, right? Let's test the third case in which the customer wants to add more books to the order. For example, the customer David here. So in the front end, I log in as David, sign David 123. My orders history here, and my has order ID 12. View details, and I see there are 2 books, Effective Java and Spring in Action. And I call the customer service of the company to add another book to my order. Say, for example, Java 8 in Action. So in the admin section now, as a manager, I edit this order of the customer David, edit, and click add books and select the book Java 8 in Action here. Number of copies is 1. Add, close, and you see Java 8 in Action appears in the form here. The total amount is updated accordingly, and click save. You see the message, the order ID 12 has been updated successfully. And I am the customer David, and I refreshed my order details, and I expect that the book Java 8 in Action should be added to my order here, and the total amount should be increased and refreshed. And you see the book Java 8 in Action has been added to my order. The total amount is increased, the total quantity is increased to 3. Very good, right? Now let's test the last case in which the customer wants to remove a book from their order. For example, the customer Mike, view details. Mike wants to remove the book Pro Spring 5 from his order and change the quantity of the book Java Zenrix and Collection to only 2 copies. So in the front end, I log in as Mike, sign in mike@gmail.com. My orders, I have one order ID 10 here, view details, and you see, and I expect Pro Spring 5 should be removed and Java Zenrix and Collection should have only 2 copies. So the total amount should be decreased. And in the admin section, I click add this other hyperlink. Oh, so we need to update the hyperlink, the URL of this hyperlink in the edit order in the order detail page here. Order underscore detail, the hyperlink for edit here should be edit underscore order question mark ID easy ID of the order ID. Save the file and refresh this page. Edit order ID 10. Click here. Customer mic. Change the order status to, for example, delivered, and remove the book pro Spring 5, and change the quantity of the book Java Zenix and collection to 2 copy. Okay, and click save. And you see the order ID 10 has been updated successfully, and in the front end the customer might refresh his order details and see that the book Pro Spring 5 has been removed and the quantity of the book Java Zenix and collection updated to 2 copies, and the total amount has been updated as well. Very good, right? But you notice that the order status is still processing. Still processing. Sorry, for the customer mic. Yeah, still processing. View details. Still processing. It's because we haven't written the code to update the order status after the form is refreshed. Order from here. Order status here. So we need to use the STL. C tax C test equal C we need to check the order status, order dot status equal to processing, and we select this element, selected equal selected, and do the same for other options. Order status equal shipping equal deliver and equal completed and equal cancelled. Okay, also save the order service C class to update the message here, and we need to wait for the server to reload the changes. Okay, and let's test updating order status and updating the books again. Orders, and now the customer Catherine has 3 books, and now Catherine wants to remove 1 book, and okay, Catherine wants to remove 1 book. So in the front end, I log in as Catherine, and the password of Catherine is Catherine. Oh, wrong password. Password of Catherine is ABCDEF. Login. My orders, view details, and I want to remove the book thinking fast and slow. So in the admin section, I am the manager. I edit the order ID 13 of customer Catherine. Edit and remove the book thinking fast and slow. Remove and change the order status to delivered. Sorry, we should test like this. Edit order status is delivered, and we remove the book thinking fast and slow. Remove. Oh, and we need to select the order status again and click save. The order ID 13 has been updated successfully, and in the front end, the customer Catherine refreshed her order details and see the status is delivered, and there are only 2 books. The book thinking fast and slow has been removed. Very good, right? So we have done implementing the update order function here, and done.